We are here in Sarasota, Florida, down at Payne Skate Park. We came here today. Me and Jazz.
You guys are sitting on the island. Can you make room for the other skaters?
And surprise, surprise, they got a skate contest going here. We're doing big air today. Right now, this segment's big air.
Can you watch out for the
Jake Allard's here.
Have room to take off. Thank you.
He's talking actually right now. He's announcing, ladies and gentlemen. Olympic medalist. Yeah.
All right, who's got it?
We are down here, Sarasota. Me and Jazz. This is pretty cool.
Nice, big frontside air.
Yeah.
Rocky G, nice.
Rocky G going for it. All the competitors are over there starting off on the island.
Forward, hold on.
Who's forward? It's really cool to come out to the skate park and see all these kids. Yeah, he's trying. All you subscribers out there, this is really cool. Hopefully this is really cool to see this. Yeah, that was good air.
That was pretty high.
Jake Allard approves. Oh, we got this guy over here. He's going to drop it from up top. He's going to get some speed. Oh, nice. I think it's supposed to be big air, though.
All right, I want to see a high air. Who's got one?
High air.
Rocky, what do you got?
Come on, Rocky. Yeah.
Rocky's only 8 years old.
Yeah. Woo! Kids are tearing it up. No!
Backside air. He's coming off.
Here we go. Nice to come here, see all these kids out here.
Here comes Graham.
Ah, he had to bail out.
We got the next one. Come on.
Come on, Rocky. You got it. Oh!
Nice.
Yeah.
I yelled Rocky, I didn't miss.
Jazz over there. Enjoying it. Yeah.
I was overcoping.
So cool, Sarasota. Whoa!
If you land that, I think you're going to have the highest air of the day.
Yeah, I agree.
Unless Rocky has something to say.
Rocky's got some air there, yeah.
Rocky, I think you need some more speed. You too, Holden. You guys need to go faster.
Trying.
Charge it, yeah! Nice.
That was
Back
good.
him up, Rocky.
Here we go.
Colin coming in. Big front
He's got it. He's got it.
I want to see some high air action. Nice, front side air.
Rocky's going for it.
Rocky's gotten full speed. Whoa!
Yeah!
Backside air. Woo! Double grab, Holden. Wow.
Yeah!
That was sick.
There you go. Some speed.
Nice.
Ah.
Yeah, big backside on grab.
Go faster!
Yeah, go faster. Start from the other side of the mini ramp.
Yeah! Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Come on, I want to see a head high air. Who's got it?
Scoop it!
Hi, Jazz.
Come on, Rocky.
Jazz enjoying herself.
Pump it, pump it, pump it.
Scoop it, scoop!
Oh!
Yeah, boys.
Who's going next?
Yeah.
I went
That's a
for
pretty
it.
big one.
Who's got the biggest air?
Woo! Big in the air.
Come on, Rocky! Yeah! These two little kids have got a little shootout going on. I'm not sure who's getting higher, Rocky or this kid.
Nice. All right, you guys got about 1 more minute. You're going to get 1 more try each.
1 more minute.
It counts. Here comes Graham coming on the backside.
All right, we're bail out.
you got?
Woo! Ah.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah!
Big backside ollie.
Here we go, here we go. Wow. 30 seconds. Go, Rocky!
Yeah! All right, everybody. If you want one more try, take it. If not, we're gonna call it on the big air.
One more, here we go.
One more.
You got one more.
more for that. That was pretty big. I think you need
Yeah. One more try for
Come
everybody.
on, max it out, max it out. Yeah. What do you think, crowd? Should we give him one more?
Yeah.
One more.
Here we are. Oh! Come on.
Some Brandon's. Big.
Woo!
Yeah.
Woo!
Let's see it.
Oh!
You all right, buddy? Oh, that was a tough one.
Gee, took a bang.
Good thing you got your pads on.
Oh, he's tough though. Good job, buddy. Woo! Good job.
Yeah.
Good job, you all right?
You might get best frame of the day after that one.
He's all right. We went for it. That's how you got to go for it.
All right, Scooters, if you want to do the high air on the
Whoa!
couple minutes to warm up, and
It's all
then
right.
go from there.
It's all right.
Start warming up, boys.
Nice job, man. That was a good job. You got it.
After the scooter high
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen.
click on the 9 ball.
Kevin Jazz down here in Sarasota, checking out this competition. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. What do you think of this little day here, babe?
Very entertaining.
What do you got to say, Kevin Jazz?
Very entertaining.
Very entertaining. What a cool way to spend the day down
Yeah,
here.
and it's to support Skate City, Sarasota.
Yeah.
Promote more skate parks in Sarasota County. So check that out. Skate City, Sarasota.
Skate City, Sarasota. You got it. We will do it.
Yeah.
Way to go, you guys. Thanks for checking out this little episode. Appreciate you guys checking out our channel, as always. And things are looking real nice down here in Sarasota. A lot of good skaters out here. A lot of people having fun. It's great to see. And thanks again, you guys, for checking it out. And I met Philip there. See you later, Phil. Nice meeting. Good seeing you. Good seeing you, man. Good quad. Good quad. You guys have a good rest of your day down. All you skaters out there. Thanks, Jake. Appreciate it, man.
You're welcome.
It was really fun. That was Jake, man. He did a hell of a job announcing. So we appreciate you guys checking it out. Until next time, skaters, we'll see you. Bye.